Earth is the only world we know that supports life, but what if it is not the best option anymore? Across the galaxy, thousands of distant planets have been discovered, many of them sitting in the so-called habitable zone. Worlds that could have oceans, atmospheres, and maybe even life. So if you had a choice, would you stay on Earth, or would you pack your bags for another planet? Earth is special because it is proven. Liquid water covers more than 70% of its surface. The atmosphere protects us from radiation and keeps temperatures stable. Plate tectonics recycle carbon and maintain long-term climate balance. A strong magnetic field shields life from deadly solar winds. Earth is not just habitable, it is comfortably habitable. But Earth also has problems. Climate change, pollution, overpopulation, and limited resources raise an uncomfortable question. Is Earth perfect, or are we just used to it? Now let us compare Earth to other potentially habitable worlds. First, Proxima Centauri b. This planet orbits the closest star to our solar system. It sits in the habitable zone and may have liquid water. The advantage is distance. In cosmic terms, it is right next door. The downside is its star. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf that produces powerful flares. These flares could strip away the atmosphere and expose the surface to intense radiation. Living there might mean underground cities or constant shielding. Next is TRAPPIST-1e. This planet is similar in size to Earth and may have a rocky surface. It receives about the same amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. That sounds promising. However, TRAPPIST-1 is also a red dwarf. Tidal locking is likely, meaning one side always faces the star while the other remains in darkness. Weather patterns could be extreme, with violent winds and temperature differences. Kepler 452b is often called Earth's older cousin. It is larger than Earth and orbits a Sun-like star. The pro is stability. A star like our Sun is calmer and longer-lived. The con is gravity. Kepler 452b is a super-Earth, meaning stronger gravity. Long-term human life could be physically challenging, affecting bones, muscles, and the heart. LHS 1140b is another interesting candidate. It may have a thick atmosphere and possibly an ocean. A thicker atmosphere could protect against radiation and retain heat. But too much atmosphere can also mean crushing pressure and a runaway greenhouse effect. What protects life could also trap it. Then there is K2-18b, a planet with water vapor detected in its atmosphere. This is huge. Water is essential for life as we know it. But K2-18b is likely a mini-Neptune. That means no solid surface, only deep oceans and thick gases. Life might exist, but not life we could easily live alongside. So why does Earth still win in many ways? Earth has diversity, stable day and night cycles, a balanced atmosphere, a biosphere that already works. Every exoplanet we know comes with major unknowns and serious risks. Radiation, gravity, atmospheric pressure, and stellar activity could turn paradise into a nightmare. But exoplanets have one powerful advantage: potential. Earth is crowded and fragile. A new world offers a fresh start. No pollution, no political borders, no damaged ecosystems. Humanity could design civilizations from the ground up, using everything we have learned. So which would you choose? Earth, familiar and proven but struggling. Or a distant exoplanet, dangerous and unknown but full of possibility? For now, Earth remains the best world we have. But the fact that we can even ask this question means something incredible. We are no longer limited to one planet. The universe is full of options, and one day, choosing a new home may not be science fiction, but survival.